What's up everyone, so today I have for you the VideoMic Me by Rode. It's a directional microphone. It can be used with your iPad or your iPhone, as well as any other phone with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, you can use it with your lightning adapter as well. A couple of things right away. It comes with an adjustable mounting system, features a headphone play-through jack, and it comes with a furry windshield. So this is a great product for anybody who uses their phone to record videos, a vlogger, or anybody who's new to YouTube. And I guarantee by using this product, you're going to have better audio quality in your videos. At the front of the box, this is what the device looks like. You have your microphone body, as well as the headphone output socket. Let's open this up. There's tape at the top of the device, as well as the bottom of the device. Let me just take it out of the box, and right away what you see at the top is the furry windshield. So this is really good if you're going to be a vlogger and you're walking around and it's windy outside. Now what this furry windshield is going to do is going to reduce or remove any wind noise in your recording. Right when you open the box, what you're going to see is a gel pack. Make sure you throw it away in the garbage. Alright, so what we have is a device inside the furry windshield. And here we have the setup guide. It shows you what to do and how to set up the device. And this is the adjustable mounting clip. Let me take the microphone out of the furry windshield to show you what it looks like. Overall, the build quality is really good. It's made of plastic and metal. Here you have the gold-plated 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is the headphone output socket. So by having your headphones connected to this device, you're able to monitor real-time recording levels. Alright, so if you purchase this, you get the furry windshield, the actual recording device, and the adjustable mount. So this was a quick unboxing of the VideoMic Me and what comes out of the box. I'm going to be doing a full-on review of this device in real-life conditions. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions about the device that I can answer. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.